In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to update data to data table using SQL Server. So we have already created a TBL employee table which have a 3 records in the table. First of all, need to select data from the table TBL employee. So now we need to update salary of employee using the update query. Update query work on with the conditions and without condition. Without conditions, we are update the records. So all records are updated. So now we are update the salary, same salary for all employee. So update syntax for update query, update table name TBL employee and set value set करनी, which column, define the column name here, salary is equal to 10,000 and execute this. And this update query update all row of data tables. Now select this, the salary column is updated. Now because of that here is no conditions available, so all records are updated from this query. By condition we want to update salary only on Vijay, Ajay or Manish. So we can set a conditions to particular name, a particular ID, so that we want to update only particular records. To update TBL employee, set salary equal to 15, here ID is equal to 2. For execute this query update only one row where ID is equal to 2. Now execute this query, execute, and now select the record. The row number 2 records has been updated. Yeah, if we want to update records for last two row, so we set the conditions here greater than 1. Here update the record where ID is greater than 2. दो से जितनी भी ID बड़ी होंगी उनके सारे रिकॉर्ड्स को ये अपडेट कर देगा. Update this and the query is execute. Both employee has same salary. So there are different way of you update the data into the data tables. You can set multiple conditions which you want to specify, update the row, update the details. So this is the basic syntax and basic way of updating the data into the data tables.